Youth, beauty, the endless desire to awaken the perfectionist in you. Evolution of innovative technology. From years of research, an addition of 2 innovative breakthroughs on top of Atomy's 4 major technologies, came the birth of Absolute Skincare. High-potent natural ingredients for skin vitality, keeping the skin youthful and glowing against time. Cellactive, smart capsulation transfer technology scans the face to prescribe and deliver the precise Cellactive code. The science behind the powerful anti-aging effect aims to discover the potential of skin vitality. Atomy's technological advancement of science goes beyond expectations. Unveil the mysteries of flawless skin with each drop of Absolute Skincare. Youth, beauty, the endless desire. Absolute Cellactive Toner. Absolute Cellactive Ampoule. Absolute Cellactive Serum. Absolute Cellactive Lotion. Absolute Cellactive Eye Complex. Absolute Cellactive Nutrition Cream. The core essence of evolutionary technology. Reverse, rebirth, rewind the clock. Atomy Absolute Cellactive Skincare.